Around February 2020, I quit a startup gig that I had at the time and started to focus more on YouTube and poker full time. I saw the potential of YouTube and how scalable it can be if done correctly. And around that time, my channel had anywhere between 10 to 15,000 subscribers and clearly was nowhere near the level of going full time at this instance. It was more so a leap of faith to kind of just bet on myself and focus on what I really enjoy doing, which is making videos and trying to build a brand. So with this leap of faith, this led me down a number of different avenues of content creation and started to branch out with different YouTube channels to experiment with. So with that said, let's get into things. First channel we got is called Daily Nines Golf. This was created during peak quarantine and COVID season during the spring and summer months where you really just couldn't do anything outside besides go out and golf. So a few buddies and myself picked up the game to try it out, and wow, we really stunk. After spending so much time on the golf course, we just thought bringing a camera would be a good idea and cool experiment to play with to potentially show the progression of someone who has no idea how to golf to maybe show some progress along the way. This is kind of similar to what I did with the poker channel, and well, this channel has 170 subscribers right now, and after taking such a long time editing each and every single video, I ended up just getting really unmotivated and a little lazy, to be honest. So obviously $0 have been made from this channel, but just showing you that not all experiments work. I just might post here on this channel again and potentially rebrand it in the future. So if you just want to hit the subscribe button on this one, Daily Nines Golf, you know where to find me. Second, we've got a channel called Splitting Deuces. This is a blackjack content channel that I started with a good buddy of mine named Dan. I saw a space in YouTube where people liked watching people play blackjack and kind of hypothetically sweat out the action, so this is just another experiment that I tried out. The first video was created around mid-December of 2019, and we hit 1,000 subscribers in the beginning of September. From there, we got accepted into the YouTube partner program where we could monetize and start making money off of these videos. Year to date, since September, the channel has made a total of $536.04. The views of this video got extremely static, so with that said, we haven't posted as much as we'd like. We're really trying to find ways to record inside an actual casino to bring better content here, so still trying to brainstorm, trying to contact different casinos that would let us record. That's obviously a tough thing to do, so this channel has been put on pause for the time being until we can find better content to post. Third channel we have going on, we have my second poker channel, Rampage Poker, without the vowels, but I left in an E. Don't ask me how I came up with this, I don't know. Anyways, we simply made this for fun and just to double the amount of videos I could make, along with making live poker videos. This idea was pretty much inspired by a guy named Graham Stephan. He makes a lot of finance videos where he made a second channel to post on a daily basis, and for the target audience of people who really enjoyed his content and wanted to watch his stuff every single day. At the time that this second channel was created, I was making live videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I wanted to make online poker videos to upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so I'd also be posting something every single day. Well, as you can see, I haven't been too consistent with posting, but we have garnered over 1,500 subscribers so far, and I got monetized around September, so around the same time frame as Splitting Deuces. So far on this second poker channel, we have made a whopping $181.46 in 2020. We've only made 34 videos, and I can obviously do a much better job posting here and to make better content, but right now I'm a lot more focused on the main channel, and we also just really suck at online poker, so losing money is never fun too. Lastly, this is the one you probably tuned in to find out how much the Rampage Poker channel has made in 2020 so far. This year has been an absolute crazy ride to say the least. 2020 started with me pursuing YouTube and poker full time, and at this point I was consistently making 3 videos a week, making anywhere around $1,000 a month, averaging $40-ish a day on YouTube, and safe to say that's not very sustainable. We were averaging 10,000 views a day, which was giving me about $4 per 1,000 views, an RPM of $4, which is fairly average for YouTube. Then COVID hit, of course, classic 2020, and the lockdown and quarantining of the country began. The entire poker space, gambling space, casino industry on YouTube became very stagnant, and obviously with the casino shut down and poker rooms being a terrible place to be during a national pandemic, with everyone breathing on each other and touching the same cards, chips, and etc., we really had to get creative on YouTube in terms of posting content. So when all the casinos shut down, this was the time when online poker boomed, and we got very lucky one late night where I was able to place second in a large tournament online and recording most of the end of it. In a $75 buy-in, I placed second for $18,000, which was by far the biggest cash I've ever had. And it was a small taste of tournament poker for me. This served as great content, and overall from April to mid-June, it was really tough to create content, and I tried to make several different videos that pretty much didn't really go over too well. During this stretch of a few months, we made a whopping $305 from the channel. Then on June 17th, we made our first video back playing live poker, as luckily for us, New Hampshire was one of the first states to bring back poker. This was all we were waiting for the last few months. Because even then, Vegas didn't even have poker back initially. No one was making poker vlogs, and it seemed for a while I just had the whole space to myself that was waiting for videos. So we went for it and started back on the same routine, and I was able to pump out videos like I normally did before. But this time I virtually had no competition in this poker space, so the channel grew like crazy since then. Making this video in December, this channel was able to grow from 15,000 subscribers to 45,000 subscribers from mid-June to December. And with subscribers comes with more views come to more revenue, and my channel has really taken off more than I could ever imagine since the beginning of the year. Since June, this channel has received 5.7 million views. Now in December, all of our videos average around 80,000 views, and for a channel with 45 subscribers, it's really incredible to have YouTube constantly push the videos to non-subscribers and have the algorithm at least kind of work out in my way. So how much money has this channel generated? In 2020, it's generated $44,965.14, with a significant chunk since June to December for the second half of the year. In December alone, so far, we've made over $8,000 with increased RPMs, as advertisers are willing to pay more for ads during the holiday season. So we're coming off of our best month yet. Hopefully we can ride this momentum out for a while. Compared to 2019, where I only made $8,000 for the entire year off of YouTube, it's crazy to see how quickly things can go well from unexpected events. So if you're looking to start making videos on YouTube, I always tell people to just start and try. A lot of experiments may fail, but you really only just need one to work out, and you never know which experiment will work. For now, we're still very early on in our YouTube career, as you can call it, but hopefully we can keep this poker channel growing for a while and consistently post on this personal channel here and maybe grow this into something as well. So in 2020, my YouTube income so far as of December 20th, as I'm making this video, is $45,682.64. So thanks so much for watching this video. Comment below what other topics you'd like to see from me. Like I said, I'll be posting consistently at least once a week here. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Always smash the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.